One day you'll die. You don't know, this could be your last moment. Tomorrow could be your last day. Everyone, one day or another, is going to die. So, why aren't you making the best out of your present? Past is gone and future is unpredictable. What you have control over is now. This moment is real. This is true. These beautiful moments won't last forever. Cherish them today. And some moments are once in a lifetime experience. You can't relive them. Going for that first ride with friends.
कितने किलोमीटर दूर? 40.
Watching sunrise for the first time from the top of a mountain.
ओ भाई, मृदुल चलते.
Watching the reflection of the sunlight for the first time in the ocean.
Fucking crazy भाई.
Stargazing in the wild. Watching the waves roar. Marrying your fiancé. Making your parents proud and what not. Of course, you can relive these moments, but you won't see those things the same way when you experience them for the first time. Whatever you are experiencing in your life, live it. You have only one life and it is short. You won't get it back once you'll die. So don't be in that rat race where you forget that you only live once. Do every fucking thing possible in this life. Live it to the fullest or else you're already dead before even dying.